Thanksgiving. Yes, Jamra.
Hello, folks. So today for our Eat Out Friday, we are stopping at Good Vibes. It's in Port St. Lucie off Port St. Lucie Boulevard in the Publix Plaza near Darwin Square. And just as the name on the door says, it's full of good vibes. They serve up shakes, chillers, and overall energy and healthy drinks. Let's check it out.
Hi guys, so my name is Pamela, owner of Good Vibes Nutrition, which is over here. We just opened up in August, and some of the things that we love to sell here is our amazing shakes. They are 24 grams of protein, they have all your vitamins, all your minerals, under 10 grams of sugar. And we use the Herbal Life Products for us to be able to know exactly what your drinks contain. We also have our famous chillers. If you guys follow us on Instagram, you guys will see all the pours that people are doing, pouring in their shots. Those have B vitamins, we have collagen, aloe vera, green tea, and so much more, even immunity things for your health.
Sing me to sleep, it's a song when you speak on the telephone. A 2 minute sign to the one left behind, you'll be coming home. Will you be there in the morning when I'm awake or miles away? Will you be miles away? I may be naive, but I still believe I belong with you. One thing's for sure, when you walk through that door, there'll be no more leaving, 'cause I'll never let it go. Will you be there in the morning when I'm awake?
It's actually good. Don't worry about it.
You like it? Okay. Awesome.
That's a whole breakfast right there.
Oh, yeah.
Good thing.
Friends say I'm crazy, waiting for you, that I'm wasting my time on a dream overdue. But I know that you will be there in the morning. You're only as far as miles away. You're only miles away. Yeah, yeah. You're only miles away. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is the shot that I'm gonna pour into the chiller. And this is what is exactly is it?
B vitamins, give you energy. Green tea, aloe vera, collagen. And it's only 3 grams of sugar. Even though it's
Yeah. Yeah. But it's nice, and I don't want to give you any of it.
I'm fine with mine.
So something that inspired us here, and I say us because it's with me and my boyfriend, of course, but we wanted this place to be a hangout spot. We want to be your healthy local hangout spot in Port St. Lucie. There's many, we're actually the first ones in the area, so it's, we really wanted to come here and make an impact in the city of Port St. Lucie. And just like in the videos might show, we have like the games, we have chess, we have Battleship, Connect 4. We really want to make everybody comfortable here where they can really unplug from their everyday lives where it's working and maybe stress and things like that, for them to just come here, have a healthy drink and make friends, because this is a place where you really meet everyone at the bar. We know your name every time you come into our doors, and that's really what we want to make an impact here in Port St. Lucie for.
Awesome.
So we're located on 3235 Southwest Port St. Lucie Boulevard, Unit 102, right here in Darwin Square Plaza, right next door to the Kiki's.
Guys, that was an interesting experience. We are on the way home from Good Vibes.
Yeah, good vibes.
And guys, this is the end result of my shake.
I'm gonna get now.
I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was nice, and I actually like the fact that it's like it mimics a regular shake, but it is literally nowhere close to the amount of sugar and fat that you would find in a regular shake. So I'm here for that, and it's a whole meal. Oh my gosh, I feel full. There's actually, another place that we were thinking of going to eat something, but after the shake, when them say it's a meal replacement, trust me.
Yeah, and the good thing about it is, what I like about it is the fact that it's really a meal replacement because of the ingredients that she used, but she can track all of the vitamins and minerals, and she know everything what she put in there. How much grams and how much this and how much that. The chiller that I got was with aloe vera, vitamin B12. She literally put vitamin B12 in it.
I had no idea that that's how it looks.
Yeah,
it's like a weed.
No man, the vitamin B12 it comes in a package.
So what was the weed thing?
Just for decor. That is like she just put it at the bottom. And that's what I liked about the place also. The place is quirky. It's not the conventional shake spot. Them have games and them have a nice couch and everything as you see in the pickup shots.
It looks welcoming.
Yeah. Good vibes. They went ham on the good vibes. The young lady, she was pleasant to talk to, and
very
not stand off it. Yeah, and the shakes were good. The one that I got, the chiller, actually was like 3 grams of sugar. 3 grams of sugar. It wasn't. It was sweet enough, but not over sweet, and it never spike your blood sugar. Make me feel like you want to pass out because it's so sweet.
Very important, because a typical cup of drink.
Yeah, I couldn't drink. I would never.
This probably would have 90 grams of sugar, because Mrs. Small buckles of drink have 40 something grams of sugar.
Yeah, I would never. I would never drink even half of that. You understand? If it was generally a regular drink, I would not have.
So let's talk about price, because that's important. A lot of times when people make decisions to eat some things above another thing, or as opposed to something else, it's because they're not willing to spend the money. I believe that a cup of the drink and a cup of the smoothie is about $8, right?
Each.
$8 each.
And the size is big. I mean, it's a tall glass or something.
Yeah.
How much size is this? What, 16 ounce? How big
I
something?
think it looked like 16 ounce.
But
consider that it's a meal. especially mine. I don't know if maybe I don't know if this would be considered a full meal.
It's a refresher. It's a refresher.
It gives you energy.
Yeah.
For sure.
The vitamin B12 does kick in energy. And that, again, if you're doing these as meal replacements, or if you're on a liquid fast or liquid diet, you know, it works. It makes sense because you're getting the energy that you need. With aloe vera, you're getting a little bit of everything, you know, additive and stuff. So the price is competitive, you know, at around $8, depending on whatever additives you want in it.
Right.
It's worth buying if you're definitely into the health buff as we are. So definitely out of 5, I would give Good Vibes a solid 4. Yes, you say solid 4 to right?
I agree. A 4.
For good vibes and good taste. It was a great convenient stop in.
Yeah, anybody who knows me knows that I'm a kicker for ambiance, and it was definitely giving. As far as ambiance, it was definitely giving, and I liked the taste of the particular shake. The monkey, what was it called? The
chunky monkey.
Chunky monkey. Yeah, I took the chunky monkey with the chocolate swirls.
And I got the watermelon grape with aloe vera chiller. And with B12, vitamin B12 and aloe vera.
Yeah, so for taste, it's up. Taste is amazing, and you can't beat the fact that it is very nourishing to the body, and it's not over sweet. Right, so yeah, for those reasons, I would give them a 4.
I like the concept, the overall concept, in that they're using products that are already on the market, easily sourced and already known for being nutritious. Correct. To make something that they can definitely control everything that they put in it. That's worth it. So if you're in PSL, if you're in Port St. Lucie and you want some Good Vibes, head on over to Good Vibes. They're in the Darwin Plaza by the Publix, and just tell them Yardie Belly TV sent you, and I promise you, you're going to find something on the shelf, on the board, where I'm not the shelf.
Them have a wide variety, guys. Their list of options are extensive.
Awesome.
So you will definitely find something, whether you're a chocolate lover, a peanut butter lover, a vanilla lover, you know, you can find something that you like.
Once you love your belly.
And don't go there when you're hungry, because the shaker is going to fill your belly. Not the shaker.
The shake.
The shake is gonna fill your belly.
Awesome.
Alright, so
until next Friday, we're going to stop somewhere again in PSL. Big up on yourself. And remember, live and laugh, drink something.
Eat Out Fridays. Yeah, another episode. Stay tuned for another one next week.